My hands are sticky. So today I'm feeling a bit hungry, so we're gonna go to Tesco and buy some shit. Then we're gonna go out to eat somewhere. Don't know where yet. I hope you enjoy today's vlog. Something special. Laugh with Mr. Tumble. Ha 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 ha. So here we have the deodorant section at this shopping centre that I'm at. So this one right here, so it gives you a nicer, clean comfort.
Do you want to wait, give it a little spray?
No.
Yeah, go on, do it.
You can't.
You can.
No, you're not allowed.
You're allowed to.
No, you're not.
Yeah, you are. I'm sure you are.
You're not allowed.
You are.
You're not allowed.
Yeah, just to test it.
No.
How else would people know if they want
Can
it?
you do taste tests if it's food?
Yeah, if it's grapes, people steal those
What
grapes.
is it on like a platter?
Look, look, you can just open it and just spray it.
I can't.
You can.
I can't.
I'm pretty sure you're allowed to.
Well, I'm not allowed to. Fish. So I need to buy some women's razors for my drag act. It's a YouTube channel. It's called Mossy Goes Drag. So many eggs, I still can't lay one. So we're here looking at some ice cream. There are some very good options here. If you don't know the ice cream world, I'm kind of an ice cream connoisseur. I love ice cream. But here we have normal shits. Don't ever go near this. You've got the cart door. This is like a step up. I like how they've done this. The best ice cream. It's Ben & Jerry's cookie dough. Here you've got your classic little cornettos, you know, like a little tip off your cornetto, you know. See, I only like the ice cream that makes you feel like you're really cold, because that's the purpose of ice cream. So it's like cherry vanilla flavour. It might taste good, but if it doesn't make you feel cold, then there's no point to it. Do you agree with that, Sam? Do you agree with the statement that if ice cream doesn't make you feel cold, then there's no point to the ice cream?
I think, you know, there's strong cases on both sides. We don't want to draw some nifty conclusions.
That's very relevant, Sam, thank you. But, so, I like this type of ice because it says party on it. And who doesn't love a party?
Your dad.
I say sometimes, if you're in the mood for more than one flavour, it's okay to buy 2 ice creams, even though you're going to be a fat fuck. So I'm going to go for this very Ripley raspberry ripple. Do you like my mask? Of course I want some Coors Light. Get it? Of course. I'm so funny. I'm about to call a very special person in my life. See if he answers.
Hey George, I'm at a concert.
That's great. What are you doing, Alex? What?
That's like...
Bye. Get that Friday feeling.
Is it Friday?
It's Thursday. This one right here. It's for you, Brad. This looks like George Bush. Sweet Baby Ray's. Is this free from gluten, wheat and milk? Is it free from white oppression? So we're off to KFC. I'm driving. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna get some KFC. What are you gonna get, Sam?
Do they do milkshakes at KFC?
I don't know if they do.
I really want a milkshake. I think they do. They do like Crush'ems.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I fucking love milkshakes, dude.
I didn't know they had milkshake.
You gonna get a milkshake?
I might get a milkshake. So this is how you park. Gotta be stealthy. Gotta be pretty good at what you do. Okay. Very nice. You fucking kidding me? No!
What are we gonna do?
We'll have to walk this way until we find somewhere. So we've been to a great halal restaurant called Pepe's. It was a really good chicken burger, some really spicy fucking chips, and it was a bit magical, really. So we're going back home. But anyway, so we were being very healthy today. We went to Tesco's, we did our little shopping. I hope you enjoyed that. Then we went to Pepe's. It was pretty zesty. Thanks for watching. Peace.